Alright guys, we're back with another video today. Today is Thursday, April 16th. It's 7:42 a.m. so the markets haven't opened yet. I'm just taking a look at the SPY to see what it did overnight. It looks like it came down a little bit all the way to the low of around 275. Spiked back up to 280 and currently it's sitting about 278, but we still have about 2 hours left before the market opens. But it looks like it's going to be almost neutral potentially from where it closed yesterday evening. So I don't know what SPY is doing. Today's going to be interesting because it's Thursday, so that means the unemployment numbers come out again for this week. And of course, these unemployment numbers are going to go up compared to last week. But for the past couple of weeks, even though the unemployment numbers have been horrible, the market keeps going up, which just does not make any sense at all. So I really think it's a coin flip today. But if you look at the history over the past couple of weeks, the worse the news is, the market goes up. So if you use that strategy, then the Dow should increase, and so should the S&P 500. But the market is irrational right now, so we really don't know what's going to happen. So I have not been playing a lot of options right now just because there's so much uncertainty in the market. One thing I may do is, so I ran my options scanner tool again, and I'm really liking some of these AMD puts right now because even yesterday, while the market was going down, AMD closed a few pennies higher, and then after hours it also went up another 1.2%. So hopefully if AMD stays neutral or trades sideways or keeps going up today, I can make some quick money on a cash covered put. So today's Thursday, so that means if I sell a short put, meaning expiring tomorrow, I only have to worry about the market today and tomorrow to get these gains. If you're a little bit more risk averse, you can just wait and see how the day plays out. Maybe wait until noon, or if you really want to wait, you can wait until close of day today or right before it. But of course, the longer you wait, these premiums are going to go down. So I'm going to see what happens when the market opens, maybe within the first hour or two. And just to play it safe, let's say I want to set a threshold of 85% chance of profit. So you would only need to have $5,200 in your account available as collateral, just in case AMD does drop to $52 and you get assigned the 100 shares. But you can make what should be an easy $23 per contract on AMD if you were to buy at market open. I mean, obviously this number can change because this is when the market's closed right now. And just remember that that's $23 per contract. So if you have, let's say, $15,000 or a little bit over $15,000 in your account, you could buy 3 contracts and you could turn this into potentially $60 or $70. So, that's not too bad for 2 days worth of work. So that's something I'm looking at. Another stock that I saw in my screener was Mew and Coca-Cola and Intel. So same thing with Coca-Cola. There's a put that's expiring tomorrow for $36, and Coca-Cola right now is trading at $47. I doubt you're going to get into this because there's zero volume. So I think the probability of out of the money is 92% with a 0.6% risk or return on risk. I don't think you're going to get this filled just because there's not enough demand for it. So I wouldn't even try for that. Same thing with this Intel put. It's just so far out of the money that there's no volume for it. I mean, it's trading it has a strike of $57. And Intel, well, actually that's not far out of the money. Intel's only trading for almost $59. So I'm not sure why there's no volume. I guess because the market's closed right now. Yeah, that's what it is. The market's closed. That's why all of these are zero. Duh. But anyway, these are just 4 stocks I like to keep an eye on that are less than $100 a share. AMD, Intel, Coca-Cola, and Micron. Let me know what you think. Are these some of the stocks that you like to trade? If not, please post your suggestions below. And just remember, don't do anything I say, and happy trading.